Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by measuring the book precisely, height, width, and spine thickness, then add 1/2 inch for overlap. Once measured, cut the cover paper to those dimensions and place the book centered on the paper with the spine aligned. Make light pencil marks for folds. You need crisp guidelines. Next, crease along those marks so the paper wraps cleanly. Make sure to keep edges straight and avoid stretching the paper as you prepare for the first adhesive application. Once the paper is creased, apply a thin, even layer of adhesive to the spine and about 1 inch onto each panel. Thicker glue causes wrinkles. You wrap the front panel first, smoothing outward toward the edge with a ruler or bone folder to remove air bubbles. Next, wrap the back panel the same way, keeping tension even so the cover sits flat. Make sure to fold and glue the inner flaps neatly. Trim any excess paper for a clean seam and reinforce corners. You finish by closing the book and placing a flat weight on top for 20 to 30 minutes so the adhesive cures evenly. Once set, open and inspect the edges and spine. Sand tiny rough spots very lightly and apply a dab of glue where lifts occur. Make sure corners are snug and interior flaps lie flat. If bubbles remain, lift gently and smooth, then reapply adhesive. Troubleshooting tip. If the cover wrinkles, remove weight, humidify slightly, re-smooth, and press again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.